Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which bowl did David buy?
It's my grandmother's birthday next week. She's going to be 60.
Have you found a nice present for her?
Yes, I have. I bought her a fruit bowl.
Lovely. Is it made of glass?
No, I looked for a silver one, but they were too expensive, so I got this one, look. It's made of wood.
Oh, it's very nice. She'll love that. 2. Which card will David choose?
And I bought some cards. Which one shall I send to Grandmother for her birthday, Aunt Sue? The one with the snowman?
I'm not sure. Not for a birthday. I like these 2 cards with rivers on them. One's got a bridge on it, but I prefer the other one, the one with the boats.
Yes, I agree with you.
3. Where did David lose his umbrella? What's the matter, David? Is something wrong?
Yes, I've lost my umbrella. I took it with me yesterday when we went shopping.
Perhaps it's in the restaurant. You had lunch there with your mum, didn't you?
No, it's not there, I'm sure. But we went to the station to buy some tickets.
Let's telephone and ask.
Oh no, now I remember. It's in the bookshop. I put it down when I was looking at a book, and then I went outside without it.
4. Which are David's favourite biscuits? Did you buy anything else?
Yes, a box of my favourite biscuits. Can you remember my favourite ones?
I forget. Have they got jam in them?
Well, I like them too. But no, these chocolate ones are my favourites.
Not coconut ones?
Oh, no, they're horrible.
5. What time are they going to have dinner?
Are you going to stay and have dinner with us, Aunt Sue?
Yes, I am, but I must leave before 8 o'clock.
OK. Would you like to eat at 6:30 then?
Oh, that's too early for all of you, isn't it? Perhaps 7 o'clock is better.
Yes, it is. We can watch the new animal programme on TV before dinner.
Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where is Katie's new house?
Is your new house in the town, near our school, Katie?
No, it's in the countryside.
In a village?
No, there aren't any other houses near us.
2. What's Katie's new bedroom like?
My new bedroom is very nice. I've got a desk in it. I can do my homework there.
Have you got a television too?
No, but I've got a CD player. I love listening to music.
That sounds nice.
3. What does Katie's dad do?
My dad works at home now.
Oh? Is he a businessman?
No, he's a photographer. He takes pictures for magazines.
Oh, that's an interesting job.
4. What is Katie going to have for supper?
I'm going to make supper tonight.
Oh, what are you going to make? Can you make pizza or soup?
No, I can't make those things. I'm going to make a salad.
Lovely.
5. What time is Katie's mum going to come home tonight?
Where does your mum work, Katie?
She works in a shop. She usually comes home at 5 o'clock, but tonight she's going to be late.
Why is that?
On Thursdays, the shop closes at 6 o'clock, so she gets home at 6:30.
Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Who did William go with?
Did you go with your mum and dad, William?
Yes,
What about your brother and sister?
my brother came, but my sister didn't.
2. Where did William stay?
What was your hotel like?
Very nice. It was near a lovely park.
Oh, was it a big new hotel?
No, it was small.
3. What did William have for breakfast?
The breakfast in the hotel was excellent.
What could you have?
Oh, everything. There was coffee, cheese, fish, meat, bread, cakes.
So, what did you choose?
I had bread and jam and a glass of milk every morning.
4. What did William buy?
We went shopping one day.
Oh, did you buy those gloves?
No, they were a Christmas present.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I got a new football. I saw a great rucksack, but it was too expensive.
5. Which film did William see?
We went to see a film one night.
Did you? Did you see Lost at Sea?
No, we wanted to go to Coconut Island, but the cinema was full.
So, what did you see?
We saw The Blue Whale. It was good.